Saudara Bupati Pidie Roni Ahmad atau Abusyik datang ke Markas Batalyon Artelri Medan 17 Komposit di Kecamatan Muara Tiga, Pidie. Abusyik yang dijadwalkan mengisi kuliah umum ini disambut tarian yang diselingi musik dan seureune kalee. Pada kegiatan ini total ada 700 peserta yang ikut dengan latar belakang dari berbagai lembaga. Dari SIGLI, Muhammad Nazar, Serambi on TV.
I first laid my eyes on atau after the long journey from my native Australia. Simu Island is an extraordinary opportunity for tourism and a perfect destination for a getaway. Where the beautiful beaches meet the still untouched mountains and jungle. Fantastic place to enrich your taste buds in the local culinary delights. The local culture of the people is always welcoming towards visitors. From all walks of life. That's why I chose to stay and make this island my second home. I finally realized why this island has been nicknamed Atau. Meaning heart of gold in the local dialect, it really leaves its visitors with this indescribable feeling. You're always welcome in Simulu.